Hey, let me ask you a question. What if there was a way to instantly reach customers and clients who desperately want what you offer? And what if we could create a near endless stream of leads from these people and get practically unlimited referrals from their friends and family without spending tons of money on advertising? Would you be interested? So let me ask you this. What if you could start generating leads, booking new customers, and getting referrals starting next week? Would this help your business grow? Well, we both know it could. Fresh leads would be a big help, and I'm going to tell you how to get them fast. But first, I have to warn you, 90% of all marketing is done incorrectly, and this is causing you to waste money on advertising in all the wrong places and pushing your leads into the arms of your local competition. Worst of all, you are wasting precious time you can never get back. Look, in this short video, I want to show you that most businesses are practically ignoring their most valuable prospects. Most owners turn to the so-called expert marketers who tell you to run SEO programs, buy pay-per-click advertising, and commit to expensive media campaigns. And in the end, you spend tens of thousands of dollars and get practically nothing in return. The old methods of connecting with people are not as effective as they used to be because your market is simply noisy. Shouting in a crowd usually won't get you the attention you hoped for. You need a better way to compel these prospects to consider what your business has to offer. Just watch this 5-minute video until the end, and I'll reveal the breakthrough system that has been working for large companies like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft, and how you can claim this state-of-the-art contact system for your own business without breaking the bank. Deal? At this very minute, your prospects are visiting your website, clicking around, and looking for the things that they need. It's important to realize that these prospects will leave your website if they don't find what they are seeking. If you're counting on your contact form or a telephone number to prompt your visitors to contact you, you're simply rolling the dice. Good luck. Truth is, for every one person who sends you an email or picks up the telephone, there are 9 other people who simply close the page, even though they would have purchased something from you if you prompted them to take the right action. In the past, reaching these customers, who are in fact ready to buy, was more of a challenge than it is now. You had to take out expensive ads in the yellow pages, local newspaper and radio, and maybe even send letters to their homes. Today, the internet has given us highly effective marketing campaigns for almost any business. However, the real trick is being able to target the exact person who needs to hear your message and deliver that message clearly with a call to action that compels the person to act now on your offers. We both know you need to reach prospects directly and at a time when they are free to consider and buy your services. That means you need a unique way to educate and walk these people through your offers and ask them to make a purchase decision. The problem is, a website is a very one-sided conversation. People look at your content, click around, and then leave in a matter of about 7 seconds. What if there was a way you can extend this conversation and instantly connect with these people, sending the messages right on their desktop computer or mobile device? Well, I have the way, the truth, and the tool. The technology is called desktop notifications, or simply known as a web push. A web push message appears right on the home screen of the user's device, and when they click the notice, they are taken to a landing page that directs them to take action on your offers. Users sign up right on your website in a matter of seconds using our custom notification software. You could schedule messages for certain times, segment lists to target existing buyers with upsells, and even split test messages to find the most effective sales pitch that converts the most visitors into paying customers. Really simple, but insanely powerful stuff. As you build a list of subscribers, you could reach hundreds or thousands of paying customers in an instant at a time when they are able to consider all that you have to offer. Just imagine capturing hundreds of pre-qualified customers visiting your website each day and signing them up to follow your business. You send them a short message and they open it right on their computer or smartphone, and this message prompts them to click or walk through your front door. Listen, marketing your business can sometimes seem like a mystery. You're a business owner, not an advertising executive. I've been building these web push campaigns and have a keen understanding on how to create effective online marketing programs that resonate with these buyers, capture the lead, and grows your business. You need the help of a skilled marketer who can create an online presence that builds a loyal following and compels prospects to take action on your offers. My programs feature all the things you need to generate this new business and connect with customers who are seeking you. Would you like to stop worrying about the low response rate and high cost of advertising campaigns? Look, you need this technology on your website, and I can give it to you for a fraction of what the big marketing agencies are asking. This system will not only connect your business with interested buyers, it will allow prospects to share and refer new business your way. So here's the deal. Look below this video now. Click the Yes, Get Me Customers button now and start getting these buyers signed up to your subscriber list today. Once you sign up, I'll contact you immediately so we could develop a custom sales plan just for your business. I'll show you how to attract more buyers and grow your bottom line in weeks, not months. You see, with this system, you will discover that real lead generation for your business doesn't have to be expensive, nor will it require tons of your time to produce real results that grow your bottom line. However, you must take action right now because I can only help a limited number of people who want to take advantage of this powerful technology and growth strategy. I've only sent this video to you for now, but if I don't hear back from you soon, I'll have to send this opportunity to another business in your area. So look below this video, take action, and I look forward to hearing from you when you are ready to grow your business.